Have you ever wondered how could the unsinkable Titanic sink on its maiden voyage? Constructed in the early 20th century, Titanic was a marvel of engineering, a testament to the technological prowess of the time. Its grandeur was unmatched, boasting luxurious accommodations and state-of-the-art amenities. But the Titanic wasn't just about luxury. It was also about safety. Titanic was designed with a complex system of watertight compartments, believed to be capable of keeping the ship afloat even if some of them were flooded. This innovative design was one of the reasons why Titanic was touted as unsinkable. Technology of the era also played a crucial role. The ship was equipped with the most advanced wireless communication system of the time, allowing it to send and receive messages over long distances. So how could a ship that was so meticulously designed and equipped with the latest technology meet such a tragic end? Now that the stage is set, let's delve into the events that led to the Titanic's tragic end. Imagine it's the 10th of April 1912 and the magnificent Titanic embarks on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England to New York City. Aboard this colossal vessel, a palpable sense of optimism and jubilation fills the air. For 4 days, passengers revel in the Titanic's opulence, basking in the grandeur of its luxuriously appointed rooms and the splendor of its first-class dining saloons. This ship isn't just a testament to human ambition, it's a floating city teeming with life and brimming with the promise of adventure. It's a marvel of engineering, stretching nearly 900 feet long and towering over 100 feet above the waterline. And it's not just her size that's impressive. She's fast too, capable of maintaining a cruising speed of 21 knots. But beneath the veneer of luxury and the promise of a swift and comfortable journey across the Atlantic, a storm was brewing. However, the joyous journey was about to take a catastrophic turn. On the night of the 14th of April 1912, a seemingly insignificant iceberg changed the course of maritime history. The Titanic, a marvel of its time, was traveling at a brisk pace through the frigid North Atlantic waters. The ship's lookout spotted the iceberg too late, and despite the desperate efforts of First Officer Murdoch to steer clear, the ship's fate was sealed. In the quiet of the night, the iceberg scraped against the ship's starboard side with a grim inevitability. The iceberg was not a towering monster, but its submerged mass was enough to puncture the Titanic's unsinkable hull. It's said that the damage was initially underestimated. The crew believed the ship had merely grazed the iceberg, not realizing that the iceberg had actually opened up 5 of the ship's 16 watertight compartments. As the cold reality set in, it was clear that the Titanic was critically damaged. The unsinkable Titanic was fatally wounded. In less than 3 hours after the collision, the Titanic found itself at the bottom of the icy Atlantic Ocean. Chaos reigned supreme on the deck. Crew members scrambled to launch lifeboats, their efforts hampered by the rapidly tilting ship. The lifeboats, designed to carry about 65 people each, were launched half-filled due to panic and disorganization. A mere 20 lifeboats for over 2,000 people. The math was grim. Passengers, unaware of the severity of the situation, remained in their cabins, while others futilely awaited rescue on the deck. The orchestra, in a bid to calm nerves, played until the very end, their tunes echoing in the frigid air. As the stern rose higher, people clung to the rails, their screams piercing the night. And then, with a final groan, the Titanic was swallowed by the icy depths. Over 1,500 lives were lost, a tragedy of unimaginable proportions. The Titanic, a symbol of human ingenuity, was no more. The sinking of the Titanic left a profound impact on the world and maritime safety regulations. In the aftermath of the disaster, public outcry was immense. The world was shaken by the magnitude of the tragedy, and it demanded answers. This led to the establishment of the International Ice Patrol to monitor icebergs and ensure the safety of future voyages. But it didn't stop there. The maritime laws were rewritten, mandating sufficient lifeboats for all passengers and crew and enforcing stricter safety procedures. The Titanic's catastrophe had revealed the dire need for such reforms. The Titanic's tale continues to echo through the centuries, a haunting saga of human ambition and technological prowess meeting an untimely end. It's a story that has been told and retold, etched forever in our collective memory. It's a stark reminder of human fallibility, even in the face of the greatest technological achievements.